When we talk about high net worth individuals, we're typically talking about people with liquid assets over $5 million or so, who have access to different products than the rest of us regular folk. One of those is an ultra high net worth banking, which has more perks than you can shake a stick at. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Today's topic comes from a question asked by one of our community members. They asked, what are the secret perks of being a millionaire? Now, while the word secret might be a bit of a stretch, these perks aren't exactly advertised to the public. One of the first things that most people think of when they hear millionaire are all the cool toys that come along with it. We've got luxury cars, sprawling mansions, country club memberships. The truth is, if you want to be an ultra-high net worth individual, you do want to have time to be driving yourself around in a Bentley or hosting cocktail parties in your 20-room mansion. You're just too busy making money moves. A lot of millionaires actually prefer to stay under the radar. Not only are they often humble people who don't want to draw attention to themselves, but having a low profile keeps them safe from identity theft, kidnapping, and all sorts of other unpleasantness. Some of the most famous millionaires probably couldn't even keep a low profile if they wanted to. Ultra high net worth banking caters to the needs of people who are often too busy to get their own affairs in order. A good UHNW bank will offer services like full concierge service, dedicated account managers, and investment managers. In fact, sometimes the lines between UHNW banking and private banking are blurred, because most UHNW banks are also private banks. Being able to access your money whenever you need it is crucial for anyone. That means no hold times on the phone with customer service or waiting days for a wire transfer to go through. And while we're talking about speed, did I mention that UHNW banks offer private channels? Basically, this means that when you're doing large transactions, you're not having to wait in line with everyone else. You're being processed separately and quickly. But it's not just about getting access to your money. A good UHNW bank will also help you keep track of it. I mean, when you have millions of dollars in the bank, there are a lot of details to keep track of. And that's where dedicated account managers come in handy. Not only do they help you keep track of your money, but they'll also work hard to build relationships with you and earn your trust. After all, they want to make sure that you're happy with their services and stay with the bank for a long time. This is huge because when you have a great relationship with your banker, you're more likely to trust their advice and feel comfortable making big financial decisions. And when it comes to managing millions of dollars, trust and confidence are essential. Speaking of big decisions, did I mention that UHNW banks typically offer access to private lending? It's true. So if you're looking to finance a major purchase, like a second home or a private jet, you can skip the hassle of going through traditional channels and get the funding you need directly from your bank. Private lending is also a perk offered by some private banks, which are often very similar to UHNW banks. These institutions prioritize building strong relationships with their clients rather than simply providing basic banking services. As a result, they offer personalized solutions tailored to each client's unique needs. Unlike traditional banks that often use a one-size-fits-all approach, private banks understand that UHNWs have complex financial needs that require customized solutions. For example, they may offer bespoke investment strategies, tailor-made insurance policies, and sophisticated estate planning services. Private banks also tend to be more flexible and accommodating than traditional banks. Recognizing that UHNWs often have non-standard requests or require special attention. Overall, the personalized, flexible, and comprehensive solutions offered by private banks make them attractive to you. UHNW is seeking sophisticated financial guidance and exceptional service. Trust is huge when it comes to managing millions of dollars, and that's where dedicated investment managers come in. Unlike working with a financial advisor at a typical bank who might have dozens or even hundreds of clients to manage, UHNW banks will assign you a team of investment managers whose sole focus is on your portfolio. This means that they're able to develop a truly customized strategy that takes into account your unique goals and risk tolerance. Not only that, but they'll also stay up to date on all of the latest market trends and news, so that they're always making informed decisions on your behalf. But it's not just about making smart investments. A good UHNW bank will also help you keep your finances organized. This means consolidating your accounts, developing a budget, and setting financial goals. By having a clear plan in place, you can make sure that you're on track to meet your long-term objectives and avoid any potential pitfalls. The real value of a UHNW bank comes down to the relationships that you build. When you work with a team of experts who are dedicated to your financial success, you can rest assured that your money is in good hands. Plus, having a trusted partner in banking can make a huge difference when it comes to navigating the complexities of managing wealth. No one likes to pay them, but as a millionaire, you really don't want to make any mistakes. After all, the IRS doesn't take kindly to late payments or inaccurate filings. And trust me, you don't want to mess with them. That's where the perk of having an ultra-high net worth bank comes in. They can help you set aside money to pay your taxes so you never miss a deadline. So you can sleep easy knowing that your tax situation is being handled correctly, and that you're avoiding any potential penalties. NW banks typically have teams of lawyers and accountants on hand to help you fight back. Another great thing about UHNW banks is that they often offer more competitive interest rates than traditional banks. This can save you a lot of money over the lifetime of a loan, which is why many UHNWAs choose to keep their money with these banks. Whether it's a mortgage on a vacation home or a loan to fund a new business venture, having access to competitive rates can make a significant impact on your bottom line. But maybe the best thing about UHNW banks is the peace of mind that they offer. Knowing that you have a team of experts looking out for your financial interests can be a huge relief. You can relax and enjoy your life knowing that your money is in good hands. So there you have it, some of the top secret perks of being a millionaire. While managing millions of dollars certainly has its challenges, having the right banking partner can make all the difference. From access to exclusive benefits like private banking and competitive interest rates, to the peace of mind that comes with a dedicated team of experts by your side, NW Banking offers a level of service and support that's hard to beat. So, if you're a millionaire, or even if you aspire to be one someday, it might be worth considering a UHNW bank to help you manage your money and navigate the complexities of wealth management. Just remember, it's not all about the fancy perks, but rather about having the tools and support you need to achieve your financial goals and live a life of luxury without the headaches. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. And as always, feel free to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.